welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make salad, or how I make my salad. I have a lot of recipe on how to make salad, but I'm going to show you this one that is so easy to put together. So if you're interested in learning how to make salad, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please press that button where you say subscribe. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to drop your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. The first ingredients is 1 cucumber washed, cherry tomato washed, carrots and lettuce, 1 tin of sweet corn and 2 tin of green peas. Next ingredients is 3 boiled egg, which I boiled for 15 minutes. Next is salad cream and evaporated milk. I'm going to be mixing the two together to mix with the salad. Next is to cut the lettuce, which I washed and dried the excess water with a kitchen towel. So with a sharp knife, I'm going to cut out the bottom part. You don't want that. That's going to the bin. Then I'm going to divide the lettuce into 3 to make it easy for me to cut and chop. but I don't like mixing all of them at the same time. So what I do is I get a plastic like this, a handful of carrot, a handful of lettuce, a handful of peas, a handful of sweet corn. So I'm going to be doing this until I run out. And this is very good if you're making salad for party. You just do it like this, layer and layer and layer. So when somebody wants to scoop, they don't need to start mixing. To scoop some of the salad into a different bowl, and you can see because I did that, I don't need to start mixing. It's like it's easy that way. So after scooping out the amount that I want to mix with the cream, then I'm going to mix. Now I'm going to add the salad cream, then add the evaporated milk. These two together makes your salad taste so yummy. So I'm going to mix until it's well combined. So that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Thank you to all the new subscribers, those who have joined Continental Food and Cake TV. Thank you so much. Do not forget to check the description box. You're going to find a list of the ingredients I use in making this